Go to Merida, also listed in Taiwan under the code. These Asian companies often have these codes instead of short digits.
Yes, they have a number.
9914 or something. Anyway, it's a Taiwanese-based manufacturer, although it has plants in China and in Germany and an R&D facility in Germany. A dominant family shareholding. The Tseng family, started by a guy called Ike. I think his son Michael now runs it. Market cap, 41 billion Taiwanese dollars. That's 1.35 billion US. Price to earnings ratio 27.9, dividend yield 2.9%. Let's go straight to the share chart. Looks a little bit similar to that of Giant, taking a bit of strain in the recent years.
Yes, and a very similar story to Giant. What is interesting about Merida is that it owns 49% of Specialized.
And tell us about Specialized.
So Specialized, the US-based company, really done really well in, seem to be dominating what are considered to be the best bikes. Whether that's true or not is a different matter.
Particularly strong in mountain bikes, but also road bikes.
Yeah, also road bikes. So really capitalized on that mountain biking craze and theme that really ran up in the last 10 years. So they own 49% of that, which is a nice brand, but quite niche and quite small. I mean, when you get into this, the biking industry is surprisingly large, but I think the range of bicycles in that is quite something.
Yeah, I mean, there's quite a few million, like 2.5 million sold a year, but you're right, the super premium market is not as big as one might think.
Yeah,
and it's quite a lot of players in that space too, because it's an industry people love, so they want to make a business out of it, so they launch a new trendy brand.
Yeah, and they're all these high-tech carbon bikes. I mean, as I say, the components generally come from 2 or 3 places, but the frames are very fragmented.
Yeah, which is one of the ways, I guess, that it remains so broadly diversified and fragmented, is because people can get the componed from these other
exactly.
suppliers.
So the barriers,
that as well.
That's right.
Barriers
the barriers
to
are very low.
Yeah,
so it makes it not that great an industry.
Just coming back though to Merida, I suppose the Specialized thing hasn't really done all that much to juice up the share price. I'm not sure though whether or not they make a lot of money from the Specialized connection.
I think they make good money, decent money, but the problem is it's relatively small, as we've discussed.
So what about this one, hot or not?
No, not hot.
And you reckon Vincenzo Nibali's got a chance maybe of winning the Vuelta de España, and therefore it could be a positive spin-off for Merida, I presume they use these tour teams in order to get their latest and greatest technology showcased. Yeah,
both that and obviously it's the marketing aspect of it. It's almost you have to have the Bahrain Merida team. As I said, his team's a little bit weak, but he'll change teams next year. So, no, I don't think it really will help.
Adds much.
No.
And these teams remain the teams, right? And then they change their names because they get different sponsors.
Yes.
So the Bahrain part is presumably the sheikh who runs Bahrain, the king of Bahrain, who's decided he quite likes cycling as well. Okay, in any event, we're going not hot on that one. Sorry for you, Taiwanese bicycle manufacturer.